Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, today you have some another work to do. You know what? Your work is to create 25 questions in English. You will have to create at that moment 25 questions in English. Like, how do you feel when you come here? Do you have something to eat? What does your father do? How do you feel when you join Zakaria sir class? How does Zakaria sir teach you? Does Zakaria sir teach you well? If you have any doubt, who clears that? Whenever you have any doubt, what do you do? What do you do first when you wake up in the morning? Do you have any teacher? Who's your favorite teacher? Do you like your teacher? Which teacher do you like the most? Do you like the way Zakaria sir teaches? How do you feel when you send your homework to the group? How many family members are there? सोचना नहीं है, बगैर सोचे बोलना है. You have 2 minutes. सोच के लाइए. 20 to 25. एक से नहीं होने चाहिए. डू यू हैव अ मोबाइल? डू यू हैव अ लैपटॉप? डू यू हैव अ कंप्यूटर? नो. डू यू हैव से एक चलेगा बस. कुछ किसी भी तरह का सवाल हो बाबू, एनी क्वेश्चन. सवाल होना चाहिए बस. सवाल. इनवाइट हसन. आपके पास 8:30 बजे तक का टाइम है. यू हैव 6 minutes. 8:30 बजे के बाद जो बच्चा आएगा, वक्त मिलेगा तो कराऊंगा. इसलिए बी रेडी. इनवाइट तहमीना.
Assalamualaikum.
यस, आई एम काउंटिंग.
What's your name? What do you do? What does your father do? What is your city's name? What is your school name? Where do you live? What's your teacher teaches to you? Which is the largest animal? Where do you live? How are you? How many members are you? How many family do you have in your? How many members do you have in your house? What does your sister do? What does your father do? What is your favorite color? Which day do you like? Which color do you like? How many days do you have holidays? Mm, where, where do you live? Where are you from? Uh, which is your favorite color? What's your school name? What is your city name? What's your brother name? How many? Okay. Oh, wait, okay.
डन. 22. माशाल्लाह. आतिफ.
Thank
लेकिन अच्छा बोली तहमीना, यही स्पीड चाहिए मुझे. शाबाश.
How do you feel when you wake up early in the morning? What is your favorite teacher name? How do you feel when you join the Zakaria sir class? How do you feel when you go to work in the morning? What uh, what do you feel when you go to the daily? Uh, your your mother what is cooking? Your mother what is cooking? Uh, what is your favorite friend name? What is your city name? Where do you live? Uh, how many friends do you have? How do you feel? How many friends do you have?
13.
Okay.
मजीद मेहनत की जरूरत है बाबू. चलिए नेक्स्ट. हसन. रुकना नहीं है बीच में. रुक गए तो आपका स्टॉप वहीं आ गया. कोई बात नहीं, चलिए पहली बार ट्राई किए, शाबाश. कोई नहीं. जी. हसन. हसन आओ बाबू. आपको पहले भी इनवाइट किया था इन्होंने. नेक्स्ट. असरा अंजर. Asra.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Yes.
What is your name? How are you? Where are you from? Do you eat biryani? What do you eat in your dinner? How do you feel when you join this class? What is your name? What is your brother name? Where are you? Where are you live? What are you cooking? Do you eat paratha? Have you eaten biryani? How many people's? How many people's? How many people in your family? Do you have any friend? How much water do you drink in a day? What do you have in your pocket? Did you go to Delhi?
ओके, चलिए शाबाश। 14 जिनमें से 2 आपके मिस्टेक्स है बाबू। चलिए नेक्स्ट जी, फरअंजुम। अभी क्राइटेरिया पे एक ही बच्चा उतरा है, वही जो पहला आया था बच्चा, इसका नाम भूल रहा हूँ मैं। जी फरअंजुम प्लीज।
Assalamualaikum, sir.
तेज स्पीड चाहिए मेरे को।
What are you eating? Sorry, sir. What are you eating? What do you do? What is this? What is this sentence? Where are you going? Where are you from? Where will you stay night? What did you buy this book? Which book do you study? Which mobile are you using? Which language will you learn? Which course will you do? Okay, sir. Thank you.
चलिए अच्छा है। 8 नेक्स्ट। 8 सेंटेंस बनाए बाबू आपने, बहुत मेहनत की जरूरत है। तस्नीमन मेहता प्लीज।
Hello, how are you? Where are you from? How long will you stay in your home? What do you do? Where is your house? Which color do you like? Do you pray namaz daily? Did you eat the biryani today? Who cooked the biryani in your house? Will you go to the theater tomorrow? Which how do you feel uh, mm, feel when talking in English? How do you join the English class? How is your feeling when you are speaking in English fluency? Where do you spend your weekend? How many members in your family? In
ओके
which
15। चलिए ग्रेट, माशाल्लाह अच्छा है। आओ बेटी आप आओ।
How was your day today? Did you pray 5 times of prayer? Do you read the Quran? Have you joined classes? What channel do you watch? How much practice do you do in English? Have you done your homework? How many lessons happened in your school? What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite sport? What are your hobbies? Do you like cooking? Have you visited Makkah? How many days did you stay in Makkah? What is the hotel name you have stayed in Makkah? How many umrahs have you done? Did you visit Medina?
ओके 19 माशाल्लाह अच्छा है। 19 का मतलब 20 है, बच्चे क्राइटेरिया पूरा कर लिया है तस्नीम ने, माशाल्लाह। नेक्स्ट ज़ैनब प्लीज। आप लोग क्लास में नहीं है, वो लोग क्लास में आइए ना आप लोग। व्हाट आर डूइंग? अस्सलाम यस।
What is your name? Where do you live? How much friends do you have? How you feel when you play with friends? What is your father's name? What work you do? What your father work do? How much friends you have? Do you have any friend? How do you feel when you play with your friend? How do you feel when you go to school? How much friends do you have? What you bring in tiffin? How much? What is your teacher's name? How your teacher teaches to you? Did you visit to Delhi? What is in your pocket? What you bring today? what is your sister's name? How much sisters you have? How much brothers you have? How many members in your family? What
ओके
this sir this
अच्छा बेटे, अच्छे बनाया आपने, 18 बनाया है बेटे। इसमें एक दो थोड़ा सा ग्रामेटिकली रॉन्ग है, चलेगा, कोई बात नहीं। लास्ट स्टूडेंट दिखाइए कौन है मुझे, लास्ट।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वेट अ मोमेंट प्लीज।
Okay, sir.
ओके, लास्ट स्टूडेंट अर्शी फिरदौस। ओके, इनवाइट जैस्मीन, यस।
Okay, sir. What's your name? Where do you live? What's your father's name? What's your mother's name? What are you doing now? What does your father do? What does your mother do? How many siblings do you have? What do you do? What do you usually in your free time? What do you want to become in your future? What kind of persons do you like? Their physically, do you like to go? Which is your favorite restaurant? How often do you go there? With whom like to go there? Or how do you feel when you decided the Holy of Quran? Do you know how to speak in English? Do you know how to do it? Are you married? What is your husband's name? How long have you been married? What does your husband do? How many kids do you have? May I know your kids' name, please? How many friends do you have? How old are you? What's your mind? What are
बच्ची
you thinking?
अमेजिंग, इनक्रेडिबल बच्ची, 25 प्लस, माशाल्लाह, बेहतरीन बच्ची, स्टार बच्ची है जैस्मीन अभी तक की। शाबाश जी। सादा
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
इस्लाम, यस,
Do
स्टार्ट।
you speak English? Do you like tea or coffee? Do you live in this city? Do you know how to cook? Do you watch movies often? Do you play any sports? Do you have a brother or sister? Do you use social media? Do you go to school or college? Do you believe in luck? Do you enjoy reading books? Do you like traveling? Do you wake up early? Do you eat breakfast every day? Do you work from home? Do you celebrate festivals? Do you listen to music? Do you have a pet? Do you sleep late or at night? Do you like rain? Do you drive a car or bike? Do you want to learn a new language? Do you help your parents at home? Do you go to the gym? Do you believe in hard work? Have you ever traveled by plane? Have you eaten dinner? Have you finished your
ओके,
homework?
अच्छा है।
Have you
ओके
been
बेटा,
to
स्टार बच्चा है, शाबाश। लेकिन आपने बाबू एक ही पैटर्न क्यों यूज किया? सब डू यू और सारे सेंटेंस डू यू से। मैंने कहा एक पैटर्न यूज मत करिएगा आप। चलिए कोई बात नहीं,
ठीक है
शाबाश, बहुत, और ये पहली पहली मर्तबा था, कोई मसला नहीं है। आप कुछ
शुक्रिया
लोग पूछ रहे हैं जो लेट आए हैं कि हो क्या रहा है। भाई साहब, 20 से 25 क्वेश्चन अंग्रेजी में बोलने हैं आपको, दनादन वाले, बगैर सोचे, ये चल रहा है जी। इनवाइट
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
जी बाबू हसन।
What would you like to take? Are you going to Delhi? How do you feel when you go to mosque? Have you taken dinner? What were you doing last night? Did you recite Quran? What will you write? How many brothers do you have? How much water drink in the day? Can you help me? Do you know how to speak Arabic? Do you always pray Salah? Had you slept when I came? When will they come? And are you going? Are you sleeping? Have you taken the dinner? Have you taken breakfast? Did you come yesterday? What were you doing last night? Had you slept? What will you come? And what will you come? I I recite the Holy Quran every. Do you recite the Holy Quran in the morning? And had you slept?
इनक्रेडिबल,
What were
अच्छा
you
है।
doing?
25,
Jazakallah.
माशाल्लाह, अमेजिंग, स्टार ऑफ द डे बच्चा, शाबाश।
Jazakallah.
जकरिया आइए, 3 बच्चों ने अभी तक वो किया है, माशाल्लाह, अच्छा है।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
यस भाई साहब।
What is your name? Which class do you study? Which school do you read? Which school do you read? What is your father's name? What is your mother's name? What language do you speak? Do you like Arabic? Do you go Medina? Do you have stairs in Medina? How many umrah do you do? What is your father? What is your father? What is your mother? What is your father's age? What is your mother's age? Did you have any brother or sister?
क्या बेटा, अच्छा है।
What do you
15 अच्छी, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है बेटे जकरिया, शाबाश। अमतुल मोहित, अमतुल
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Please, Babu.
Yes, sir. How do you show love your family? Do you believe in setting goals? What do you do when you feel bored? What does a perfect day look like for you? Do you enjoy spending time with children? What's your favorite memory from childhood? What do you talk to when you feel upset? What motivates you every day? What do you usually do before sleeping? What do you usually before after wake up? Do you like to read books? If yes, which type books do you like? What's something you want to learn this year? What's your favorite season and why? How do you handle stress or sadness? What is your dream job? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite color? What do you usually eat for breakfast? Have you ever traveled to a new place alone? What kind of a music do you like? Do you enjoy cooking? How is your favorite
Okay, बच्ची
dish?
incredible.
What makes you happy?
बेहतरीन बच्ची अमातुल माशाल्लाह. सुहैल आलम.
Yes, Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Yes, brother.
How are you? What do you do? When do you wake up in the morning? What do you eat for breakfast? What do you eat for your lunch? What were you doing today? What do you eat in the morning? And for how long have you been learning English? With whom do you go to school? By whom do you go to your work? For how long have you been speaking English? Are you playing cricket? Are you playing not cricket? Why are you playing cricket? And by whom you are playing cricket? For what you are learning English? And sorry, sir, nothing.
15. बढ़िया माशाल्लाह. अच्छा है बाबू, अच्छा बोले हो. लेकिन नेक्स्ट जी अशरफ आओ. कोई बात.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर.
सलाम जी. हाँ बाबू, सहीफा आप पेट्रोल डलवा दीजिए अपनी गाड़ी में, स्पीड जरा तेज हो जाएगी. जी प्लीज आइए.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर.
यस.
Hey, what is your name? What is your father name? Hey, what are you doing in your free time? How many brothers do you have? What is your father doing? How many friends do you have in your school? What is your school name? Do you like to eat biryani? Why are you not like to eat biryani? Who is your English teacher? Do you like to speak English? Do you like to speak English? Where are you? Where are you from? How many members do you have in your family? Do you like to cooking? And what is your what are you doing on your free time?
ओके बेटा, अच्छा है. 15. चलिए माशाल्लाह. नेक्स्ट सद्दाम कुरैशी प्लीज.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाह.
यस ब्रदर.
खैरियत?
जी मेरे भाई अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
What is your name? Where do you live? In which class do you study? In which school do you study? What will you eat? How are you? I attend class. I see Taj Mahal. I catch bus. Go to the Lal Killa. I buy vegetable. You can go. I join the aggressor classes. I am eat biryani.
नहीं बाबू, क्वेश्चन बनाइए. सेंटेंस नहीं, क्वेश्चन बनाइए. क्वेश्चन. तेरी शाबाश. कोई बात नहीं, अच्छी ट्राई, बहुत अच्छा आपने माशाल्लाह. 10 बनाए, अच्छी चीज है बाबू माशाल्लाह. जी सुमैया प्लीज.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
What is your brother name? What is your hobby? What is your favorite food in breakfast? Do you have money? What do you feel? You wake up in the morning. How does the class teach you? Do you like biryani? What is your name? What is your city name? What is your favorite job? How are you? What is your favorite color? Where are you from? How many teachers in your school? How many friends do you have? Do you go to school every day? How many members in your family? Do you pray namaz every day? You are happy? Do you like car? Which book do you study? Do you memorize all this conjugation and basic verbs? Which language do you study? Do you have any siblings? How much water do you drink in one day? Which subject do you like? What are you doing now?
ग्रेट. 25 माशाल्लाह. अच्छा है बेटी. हाँ लेकिन जिनका कैमरा बंद है वो ऐसे तो नहीं लिख के बोल रहे हो, दरअसल पढ़ रहे हो. वो कैमरा ऑन करके बोलिए तो जरा पता चला कुछ. हाँ दम हम है. जैसे रुकैया बोलेंगी. वो अरफात आप भी
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर.
चलो ठीक है. वालेकुम सलाम.
What do you have? What is your name? How many family members do you have? When your paper started, what is your sister name? Do you eat food? What is your favorite teacher name? How do you feel when you pray Salah? How is sister? How many sister do you have? What is your favorite food? How do you feel when you join Zakaria sir classes? Where are you from? Do you like burger? What are you eating? How many friends do you have? What is your dream? Do you read Quran? Do you like football? What are you doing? What is your mother name? How many teachers in your school? What is your school name? How are you? Why are you sad? How is your paper going? Had you done breakfast? Why are you not sleeping? Do you like yesterday's breakfast?
Okay, beta.
Did you done your homework? What
Amazing. 25 plus. Star of the day, Arafat. Ruqayya, please. Sorry, sir, कर लीजिए बेटे.
Sir, first I want to say I don't know anything about this class.
Oh,
I'm in today
भैया,
class, and
create questions, not sentence.
because I wasn't able for 4 to 5 days to join the class, but I wanna to try to speak. Okay.
Okay.
What is your name? What is your favorite color? What is your father's name? When will you come? When will you go? Where are you? Where do you live? Why are you nervous? Why are you not join the class? With whom do you want to go? With whom do you want to come? Which is your favorite color? Which is your favorite dish? Which is your favorite game? Who is your teacher? Who is your father? What is your father's name? What is your mother's name? How much petrol do you have? How many money? How many money do you have? How many family members do you have in your family? For whom do you want to go? With whom do you want to come? Where do you live? What is your favorite game? Where why are you not sorry? Who comes daily? Who wants to go?
Okay. 25,
some-
माशाल्लाह, amazing. Star of the day, Ruqayya. बढ़िया बच्ची, माशाल्लाह. Okay, invite. काशिफ भाई, वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
How are you? What is your name? What is your father's name? What does your father do? What do you do? Where are you going from? Where are you going now? Where are you coming from? What is the name of your school? What is the name of your teacher? How many rooms are there in your school? How many family members do you have? What does your brother do? With whom do you go to school? Do you go to school every day? When do you complete your homework? Haven't you completed your homework? Will you come tomorrow or not? With whom? Sorry. For how long have you been standing here? For how long have you been attending the
25
class?
plus, माशाल्लाह. Star of the day. बेहतरीन काशिफ. क्या?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Adiba, please.
What is your name? How are you? How many siblings do you have? What does your father do? Do you like painting? Do you like gardening? What were you doing before this class? When you joined the career Sara class, how do you feel? Have you done your homework? Did you send your homework yesterday? Do you like animal? Do you have any pet? Do you like cat or not? Do you like biryani? How many times do you recite Quran in a day? Which color is your favorite color? Can you speak in English? How many language can you speak? What does your father do? And how many siblings do you have? How many friends do you have? Who is your favorite? Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? Do you have any pen? Do you have what were you? Okay.
Okay,
Will you come? Will you come tomorrow?
Star of the day, Adiba. You have accessed, mashallah. Yes, Rabia.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Please.
What's your name? What do you want to do? What does your father do? What does your mother cook? Where are you from? In which college do you study? How many brother and sister do you have? How do you feel when you join the career sir class? What is the cost of your laptop? Are you going to somewhere? How much water do you drink in a day? Where are you going? What's your hobbies? Do you like badminton? Are you learning English? Where are you learning English? What are you going to do? With whom do you study? How do you feel when you wake up in the morning? Since when did you join the class? Do you like the way the career sir teaches? How many mobiles do you have? Are you able to speak in English?
Incredible. बेहतरीन बच्ची. 25 plus, mashallah. Star of the day, Rabia. Sahifa, please. Petrol डाल का आइयो बाबू. आ जाओ.
How are you, sir? How are you? What are you doing? Which color do you have? How many friends do you have? What is your favorite color? What is your pet name? What is your salary? How much salary? Which color do you like? How much this dress? Who is you? Who is her? Are you going? Are you speaking English? When will you join Zakaria sir classes? When will you wake up in the morning? When will you go in the academy? When will you come back from academy? From academy, who call is ringing? What is your pet name? And do you like white color? How many animal do you have?
Great, माशाल्लाह अच्छा है ये 23 2 और बोल देते आपको स्टार बोल देता मैं नाजिया
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम प्लीज बाबू
Yes. How are you doing? What is your name? What is your father's name? Where do you live? In which continent do you live? What time do you wake up? What time you wake up? In which class you study? What is your school name? How many teachers do you have? How many classrooms in your school? And what time do you come back to your school? And who cooks food at your home? What does your mother do and what does your father do? How many family members do you have? Where do your brother live? And what will you do after learning this language? Have you ever faced any kind of problem? Is the fan moving? Is the fan moving? Is the watch running? Is the treatment going on? Have you watched the news of today? Have you done your homework? What kind of teachers do you like? And what is the family matter? What was the family
हे
matter?
नाजिया स्टार ऑफ द डे बच्ची नाजिया बेहतरीन माशाल्लाह ओके अब वो 20 बोलने थे लेकिन स्टार बनने के लिए 25 से जी आसिफ भाई है किसको बुलाया भाई हाँ आसिफ जी
Alaikum, sir.
प्लीज बाबू वालेकुम
How are you? What is your name? In which standard do you study? How do you feel when you join this class? How many laptops do you have? How many laptops do you have? How many cars do you have? How many bikes do you have? Which language do you speak? Which language do you like? Which dish do you like? How do you feel when you join this class? How many states are there in? How many states are there in our country? How many districts are there in our state? Which is the largest continent in the world? Which is the smallest continent in the world? Which is the largest city in India? Which is the smallest city in India? How many MP are there? How many MP are there in Lok Sabha? How many MP are there in Lok Sabha? How many MLA are there in your district? How many
अमेजिंग स्टार ऑफ द डे आसिफ शेख माशाल्लाह बेहतरीन बच्चा अर्शी फिरदौस ये हमारे टारगेट की लास्ट बच्ची थी अब जिनका नंबर आता है सुभान अल्लाह नहीं आता है तो रिकॉर्डिंग भेजेंगे
अस्सलाम वालेकुम
अर्शी प्लीज
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम What is your name? Where are you from? What is your father? What does your mother do? What does your brother do? How do you feel when you join the culture? What is your favorite color? What is your where are you going? Where are you coming from? How many family members do you have? Where are you going from? What did you eat in your breakfast? Have you cooked food? Have you had dinner? How many copies do you have? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite teacher? What did you learn from your teacher? Do you recite Quran? Do you like to play? How many dress do you have? What is your favorite dress? What is your favorite clutch? Have you done your homework? What is your favorite dress? Do you practice your
बच्ची स्टार ऑफ द डे अमतुल यू वर आल्सो स्टार ऑफ द डे बाबू अर्शी गजब बाबू सिद्रा आसिफ प्लीज
How are you? Where are you? Where are you from? Where are you coming? Where are you going there? What will you do? What are you doing in a day? Did you complete homework? Where are you going now? Why are you going there? When will you do homework? When will you go to school? Why will you leave to tomorrow school? What will you eat dinner? How are can you do it? Which classroom which class do you read in? What is your goal? Why are you upset nowadays? What is your color name? What is your father name? What is your mother name? What is your brother name? How many how many siblings? How many your siblings? Why are you coming?
ओके बेटा, स्टार ऑफ द डे बच्ची, माशाल्लाह बेहतरीन, अच्छा है जी। नेक्स्ट, हाँ फरा, यू हैव डन बाबू। शुजात को बुलाइए।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
यस।
How are you? What is your name? Where are you from? Where are you living now? What do you do? Do you do any work? What time do you go to work? What time do you come back to home? What time wake up in the morning? What do you eat in breakfast? Who makes breakfast for you? How do you feel when you join the online class? Do you have any benefit after joining this class? Do you perform 5 times in the day? Do you recite the Holy Quran in morning daily? बस सर।
ओके, अच्छा है माशाल्लाह। 18 सेंटेंसेस, अच्छा बोले हो बाबू आप। हसनुज्जमा ब्रदर।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू।
यस ब्रदर।
सर मैं इससे पहले भी हाथ उठाया था मगर मेरा हाथ नीचे हो गया डायरेक्ट।
अरे वो कभी कभी गलती से हो सकता है, ये बुलाते हैं ना तो वो ऊपर नीचे हो जाता, हो सकता हो गया। प्लीज ब्रदर।
ओके सर। How are you? How are you feeling? What do you do? Where are you going? Have you done your homework? Did you call me? When did you go to the market? For how long have you been waiting for here? What is your father name? What is your school name? When do you go to school? When do you wake up in the morning? What time do you go to the bed? When do you go to the visit? For with whom do you play? Which food do you like? Which color is your favorite? What type? What? How do you know your? How do you know your? How many friends do you have? How many sisters do you have? What type of food do you know? Could you have? Could you go to the market? Could you go to the market?
ओके ब्रदर, स्टार ऑफ द
That's
डे
it.
ब्रदर हसनुज्जमा, बेहतरीन बोले माशाल्लाह, बढ़िया बाबू। दरक्षा। अस्सलाम, यस प्लीज। बोलिए बाबू, कहाँ हैं आप?
Assalamualaikum.
अरे बोलो मेरे भाई, सलाम ले लिया आपका। हाँ।
How are you? What are you doing? What do you do? What have you done? What is your name? What is your favorite color? What is your mother's name? What is your father's name? Which language do you have to speak? Where are you from? What is your favorite teacher? How many sisters do you have? How many brothers do you have?
ओके चलिए,
How
शाबाश,
many
अच्छा है।
brothers?
जब बोल रही हैं, चलिए 10 हुए माशाल्लाह, अच्छा है। पुष्पा आओ बेटी।
Good evening, sir. How are you?
प्लीज।
How
फैंटास्टिक,
are you, sir? What
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
is your name? What is your father's name? What is your mother's name? Where do you live? In which class do you study? How do you know how to cook biryani? What is your favorite color? What is your teacher name? What is your favorite teacher? How to make tea? Where do you live? What to do your father? How to your father? In which so where do you live? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite dress? Do you know how to cook biryani? Where do you live? Um, which country do you live? Uh,
ओके,
why
अच्छा
are
है।
you why are you not coming? Why are you sad? Why are you happy? In which okay.
ओके 18 बाबू, चलिए शाबाश, अच्छी कोशिश। महरीन, हाँ बेटी, आपका क्या बोलते हैं, जो मैसेज कर रही ना, इतनी लेट आई हो, आपका तो नंबर भी 10 बच्चों के बाद है जी, प्लीज।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
यस
Sir, am I audible?
यस यस
What
प्लीज।
are you doing now? What will you do after class? What's your qualification? What does your father do? How many members in your family? How many siblings do you have? What do you like in your food? What's your good name? Is it difficult to speak in English? Why is it difficult to speak in English? Why are you coming here? Did you complete your work which I was given to you? Why were you absent yesterday? Have you any extra pencil? For how long have you been traveling? What's your favorite scholar? Which is your trending dish nowadays? How do you feel when you pray tahajjud? Where are you coming from? Is this your teacher's number? Could you please help me? Could you please shut the door for me? Why are you not listening to your parents? Who is your best friend? Do you know how to make sentences? How many teachers in your class? In your school, which subject are you teaching now? How old are you? How was your day? For a long
इनक्रेडिबल बच्ची, मेहरीन गजब बच्ची, देख रहे हैं अंदाज, सवाल पे सवाल मार रही है मेरी बेटी। इनक्रेडिबल, स्टार ऑफ द डे ताजुद्दीन। उसके बाद रजिया। यस फ्राइडे का टॉपिक बताता हूँ बाबू अभी।
Where are you from? Where did you go? His brother. Where are you friends? What died my house? Which is yours? Do you eat? Do you eat? Where do you live? Where do you read? Whom do you like? What do you want? What is father's name? What is mother's name? When do you work? Why do you not read? Where did you read? Which class do you read? Which color do you like? What do you do? Which state do you like?
ओके अच्छा, बढ़िया माशाल्लाह, अच्छा है। अप्रोक्स आप 18 बोले हैं। रजिया बेटी आओ।
Assalamualaikum, sir. What is your name? Are you living in Dubai? What is your favorite color? Do you wake up in the early morning? Do you walk in the morning? How was going your holidays? How are you feeling now? Are you feeling hungry? Where were you doing yesterday night? Were you waiting for me? How many members do you have in your family? Does your father like to you? Have you done your meal? Do you get the job? Which time do you sleep? After namaz do you sleep? Where are you going from? Are you eating food? Which color do you like? What do you do achieve your goals? For how long have you been standing there? What is your strength? Had you completed your project? Which color do you like? Are you like your red color? Where are you going from yesterday?
ओके शाबाश, अच्छा है बेटी।
Yes.
हाँ 25 हो गए माशाल्लाह पूरे। अच्छा है माशाल्लाह, बढ़िया बोली, स्टार ऑफ द डे। अभी देखिए जो बच्चे हैं कौन कौन है, अभी 5 मिनट के अंदर अंदर मुझे भेजिए, ठीक है। और कुछ बच्चों ने अगर ये गड़बड़ की हो कि उन्होंने लिखा हो फिर बोला हो तो वो एक अच्छी बात नहीं है, ठीक है। क्योंकि ये आपका एक तरह से एग्जाम था इस चीज का कि आपके अंदर कितनी काबिलियत आई। जितने बच्चे सवालात बनाने पे कुदरत रख रहे हैं वो इतनी देर अंग्रेजी में बात करने की सलाहियत रख सकता है बहुत आराम के साथ। क्योंकि जब आप किसी से बात करते हैं तो सवाल ही तो करते हैं भाई साहब, सवाल करना ही तो इम्पोर्टेंट है। जवाब तो यस नो में कोई भी दे देगा, समझ में आया जी। अब देखिएगा ब्रदर शुएब आप, सादिया आप बेटी, जुवैरी आप, सना आप, शबीना, फातिमा खातून, ये सारे बच्चे जो हैं अभी मुझे 5 मिनट के अंदर अंदर अपने सारे सेंटेंसेस भेजिए फटाफट, क्लास के बाद फौरन। मिलते हैं, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।